So thinking about the proactivity, and I know that ServiceNow's had a machine learning, artificial intelligence for quite a long time. How do you plan to leverage that capability to provide a better customer experience?
So it's a good question. It's all about being data driven. So with that machine learning capability, that AI capability, understanding and learning from everyday instances is all about, understanding what that then the thresholds look like for the next time, the rain is going to hit 90% precipitation, or the winds are going to hit 50 miles an hour. What is going to happen over the next 4 to 5 hours? So it's all about prediction and having the right thresholds in place. Using that data to be proactive is kind of ServiceNow's kind of mantra, especially when looking at, I talked about logistics companies, but it could be any organisation. The impact on broadband capabilities, if a electricity substation gets knocked out, who is it going to impact and how? So that modelling and forecasting all fits quite nicely into the customer experience, because the next time it happens, and it will happen, that organisation is far better placed to then service those organisations, those customers that they're servicing on a day-to-day basis, even from sending engineers out to make sure that they're on site the next time something does happen.
Yeah, and I think some of our heritage comes into play here as well, because we've always had this kind of the service management approach is, well, hang on a minute, these things are happening, let's try and find the problem, let's fix the problem, and then tell the impacted customers. And when people say ITIL, they start glazing over, and it's very kind of old school and it's quite old fashioned, but it's still the root cause. Why are people contacting you? So with AI, what we're doing at the moment is we're identifying trends and patterns of things happening, then we're making it a problem, getting somebody back in the business to fix it, and then we're telling the updated customers there's a bug on this software release, we've identified it, it's now fixed, your case is closed automatically. So it's this whole kind of closed loop, of which AI and machine learning is a big part of it. But it's also about having a closed loop thinking in an organisation that is always saying, why are people contacting me? What's driving these interactions, and how can we drive them out?